Interior tone level is mild with this Magnaflow True Dual Exhaust. With all major brands in stock, we have you covered. At Rich's, you can pick your sound and your tips before you buy. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we carry K&N, AFE, and Air Raid. Find us on all social media. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.